Ever wondered what retirement might look like? Or how can you secure a steady income when you're done with your 9 to 5 grind? Whether you're Gen Z starting out or middle age and planning golden years, this is something you don't want to miss because we're talking about the Unified Pension Scheme. First off, let's break down what this Unified Pension Scheme or UPS actually is. Announced by the Prime Minister Modi's cabinet, the UPS is designed to combine the best of both worlds. The old pension scheme and the National Pension Scheme. Now, why does this matter? Well, the UPS is set to provide central government employees with assured pensions, family pensions, and even a minimum pension. It's basically like getting a stability of the old system but with some modern upgrades. This is huge, especially when you consider that over 23 lakh government employees will be benefiting from this. Under the UPS, if you've served for at least 25 years, you're guaranteed a pension which is equivalent to 50% of your average basic pay from the last 12 months before retirement. Imagine no more worrying about market fluctuations or whether your investments will cover your post-retirement life. This is a fixed amount you can count on. And if you haven't hit that 25-year mark, don't sweat it. The pension is still proportionate to the time you've served as long as you've put in at least 10 years of service. This feature alone makes UPS a game changer for financial security in retirement. Now, let's talk about one of the most compassionate features of UPS, assured family pensions. Life is unpredictable, and this scheme ensures that if anything happens to you, your family doesn't have to bear the financial burden all alone. Under this new pension scheme, your family will receive 60% of your pension, providing them a safety net when they need it the most. This is particularly crucial for families where the government employee is the sole breadwinner. It's a way of making sure your loved ones are taken care of even when you're not around them. Up next, we have the indexation benefits. Let's be real now. 10,000 rupees today isn't going to be worth the same 20 years from now. That's where inflation indexation comes in. The UPS ties your pension to inflation, meaning your pension, family pension, and even the assured minimum pension will increase over time to keep up with the rising costs. This feature is a direct nod to the modern challenges of financial planning. It's not just about saving money, but making sure the money continues to work for you, even as the cost of living goes higher. Finally, let's talk about the icing on the cake. A lump sum payment at superannuation. In addition to your pension, when you retire, you'll receive lump sum based on your last salary, specifically 1/10 of your monthly emoluments for 6 months of service. This is a nice bonus that can help you start your retirement on the right foot, whether it's for travel, hobbies, or just a little extra financial cushion. And don't worry, this lump sum doesn't affect your pension. It's a separate benefit which is designed to give you some extra financial freedom, especially when you're stepping into your post-retirement life. However, everything comes at a cost, and that's what the critics of this system are worried about: the financial strain it might put on the government. The scheme is set to cost the government an additional of rupees 6,250 crores per year due to the government's contribution, which is rising from current 14% to 18.5%. This increase is seen as a potential strain on public finances, leading to fear of higher taxes or cuts in other essential services. Moreover, an array of 800 crore rupee is anticipated under the National Pension System for employees retiring before March 31st, 2025, who may opt for UPS. Critics argue that while the scheme aims to provide long-term financial security for employees, it could be fiscally unsustainable in the long run, especially with the growing demands on the government's budget. The UPS is set to come into effect on 1st of April 2025, which gives you plenty of time to understand it, plan for it, and make the most of it. So what's your take on this pension system? Does it sound like a game changer to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.